Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited to share with you a new file. Find it under Paper Crafting, exclusive for Anti-Tay members. It's the perfect Valentine's Day gift box, perhaps an anniversary gift. Either way, it's super cute. Not a member? Click the link in my description to join. Okay, now that you have downloaded the file and uploaded to Design Space, this is all that comes in the file for the heart box. I know it seems like a lot of layers, but you can choose which layers you want to use. You can add more of one, less of the other. It really just depends on what you're going for. You get cute add-ons and 2 different shaker styles. I normally use this shaker style, so I'm excited to try out the first style. I'll be sure to link everything down below, but these are a few essentials I recommend for this type of craft. And to create the shaker, you'll need acetate. As soon as I saw this file, I knew I had to assemble it. All the layers seem so overwhelming, but we will get through this together. I'm gonna start with the add-on using Barely Arts glue. So this is what I do. Here's a little tip. As soon as I'm done, I dab the excess on a piece of paper. That way when I place it down, glue does not overspill off to the sides. So for shaker style number 2, just glue the 6 layers together to start building up the shaker. You can also cut this out of foam if you wanted to create more depth. I didn't end up using this style, but I wanted to show you just in case you wanted to. Sorry guys, I didn't realize my phone stopped recording, but basically I glued the acetate on the back of the heart and then the outer layer using the baking glue. Mixed hearts and confetti tubes from Dollar Tree, threw that into the shaker, and then glued everything on top. So this is everything that I'm throwing into my gift box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and for more videos like this, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out. And I will see you guys in the next video. How cute is this box? Seriously guys, I'm obsessed. If you guys make it, be sure to tag me. I will see you guys later.